weeks, Facebook. Again, I think Maurizio, we spoke about Facebook moving more and more from social media, from a social network to a marketplace, and
Yes.
this is another step toward that direction. This week, Facebook acquired a company called Packaged, and what the company does is basically they're working on a project to let users shopping while watching live video broadcasts, and I think that it's a pretty smart move for Facebook. With live streaming becoming big, and I mean it's exactly what we're doing right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And so let's say that you could have while we're talking, you could have the ability to buy my books or to buy Enzo shampoo. I don't think you can buy that.
Me neither.
Sorry guys, we have to keep it funny around Christmas. But yeah, I think it's an interesting move. No, I think for what I understood, the team, and it's a small team. I think it's a dozen. We're talking about a dozen of people, and they already
Instagram.
Like Instagram, exactly.
Yeah.
And they already started. That's actually interesting that you say that. I was reading this article the other day, and it was like a comparison between Kodak and Instagram, exactly. And they said, Kodak at its peak, they used to have like 1,000 of employees, and they had a revenue that was a fraction of Facebook. And Instagram, when it was acquired, yes, it was like 10 people, something like that. It was
something like that.
It's crazy this shift in companies. Anyway, back to that. Mihai and James, what do you think about Facebook creating this kind of big ecosystem where you can pretty much have everything from conversational marketing to payment itself? Thinking about
it's part of Facebook's plan, isn't it? Just like Google, just like Amazon, they want to keep us within their ecosystem. They see that the power of social media in terms of not only live broadcasts, but recorded broadcasts. We all know, sat here, unboxing videos are huge in popularity. People love them. People are creating them. Everybody's creating them now. The problem, Facebook or even some of the other content platforms had is that when somebody puts a video out there, they have people watching the video, they have people enjoying it, then they leave their site to look the actual products up they've seen. So yeah, they have seen an interest in something, but then they leave Facebook. And this is where Facebook is losing out, or whatever platform people are choosing to use. They need to keep people within their sites. We see the way that various platforms promote posts based on what will keep them within their site. So I think Facebook are looking at a way, hey, yeah, we want to be able to generate revenue, of course, by having a platform, but we don't want people to leave Facebook. We want them to stay here. And I think this is the initial thoughts that, hey, how do we stop them, leaving the Facebook, watching the video? How do we stop them going onto Google, typing it in and hitting someone else's site? And I guess this is what they're trying to achieve here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it seems like a logical evolution from my perspective too. I mean, if you look at, I don't know. I mean, I've watched a lot of Shark Tank, and I've seen like how they sell some of those products on home shopping, and you sit at home and you watch TV and you buy stuff. It's not my kind of thing. I would never buy anything from that, but I do understand that, moving products when people are at home, like lazy, waiting to, they don't know what to do and they just want to buy something. It may be impulse buying. They're probably trying to tap into that psychological shopper behavior and, go to the next evolution of their Facebook Marketplace, because they have, I've seen like Facebook Marketplace, I'm not sure if they have videos on there, but I know they have tons and tons of photos, like a Craigslist kind of thing. So it makes sense to me, to move into the video space and try to, evolve a platform, a marketplace, with video that we all know, we're addicted. I'm addicted to freaking YouTube.
Absolutely.
So-
Yeah.
Don't forget something. Don't forget that Facebook is actually working on its own version of Google Glasses, and so with AR and probably with more immersive video experience, that could be a fucking good idea.
For sure.
Yeah, didn't they buy a VR? What was it, Oculus or one of those? Didn't they buy
Well, Oculus is Facebook now, yeah.
Facebook? Yeah. So
Yeah.
But they came up with they announced that they will come. They announced a partnership with Ray-Ban. Because the problem with Google Glass, I don't know if you guys remember that, and I was probably one of the few stupid guys buying a pair of glasses, but
that program down there,
yeah,
I wrote some Google Glass apps.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
But they were amazing. I mean, the maps part was it was so good. It was amazing. So to me,
Until you left the house with them, until you walked outside wearing them in public. And then
that is
people-
the problem. The main problem with Google Glasses to me, it was a design problem. They were pretty bad in terms of design, and Facebook understood that, and they signed a partnership with Ray-Ban. So the Facebook glasses would probably look like Aviator or Ray-Ban or something like that, and they will not look like geeky crap like the
Cyborg.
Yeah.
yeah.
Of course.